Now square matrix. So what is the definition of square matrix? We can write like this: a matrix in which the number of rows and columns are equal is called a square matrix. Means here number of columns and number of rows are equal. Okay, square matrix. That is, in another way you can say that is a matrix capital A, and like this we can denote Aij. So this is m by n is said to be square matrix if m is equal to n. Means here m by n is there na, so m is equal to n, means this is row and this is column. Row is equal to column, both the definition we can say. Okay, so we will have one example so that you will get the idea. So example, A is equal to 2 3 4 5. Here 2 rows are there, this one row, another row. So 2 by 1 column, 2 columns, so 2 by 2 matrix. So you can say that here, therefore A is a square matrix of order 2, you can say. Okay, so similarly one more example I will take here, one more example, so that you will get the idea. So B is equal to 1 2 3 5 6 7 2 3 4. If I take, so here 3 rows are there, so 3 by 1 column, another column, another column, so 3 column. So B is a square matrix of order 3, you can write. So this is how here number of rows and columns are equal. Here also 2 by 2, here 3 by 3, 3 are equal. Or number of rows, here 3 rows are there and 3 columns are there. Here also 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there. So like that you can define the square matrix. In square matrix, this is nothing but diagonal elements, we can say. These are nothing but what? Diagonal elements, or leading diagonal of a matrix, you can say this one. Okay, for this one you can say like this, my dear students. See here, while studying diagonal matrix, next one I will explain in detail what is principal diagonal and all. So here diagonal matrix. What is this diagonal matrix? We will say. Okay, so diagonal matrix means what? A square matrix. It is also a square matrix. A square matrix is called a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. That is, you can say that a matrix A is equal to Aij of order m by n is called a diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for I is not equal to j. So here you can say that example, you can see the example. So what is the example? You take one example which is denoted by A matrix. So I will write here 1 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 2. just now I told it is a diagonal matrix of 3 by 3 or simply 3 of order 3. A is a diagonal matrix of order 3, you can say. See here, this is equal, no, this is a principal diagonal I told, this is the diagonal, these are the elements. Other than this diagonal, all are 0 elements. Here see here, a square matrix, it is a square matrix 3 by 3. Square matrix we can say, when we can say square matrix, when rows and columns are equal number. Okay, here 3 3 is there, so 3 rows and 3 columns are there. So similarly, if all its non-diagonal elements are 0, non-diagonal means except this, these are all non-diagonal. Okay, and another way I have defined here, A is equal to A is a m by n is called a diagonal matrix if A is equal to 0 for I is equal to j. If I is equal to j means here I told na general form for 3 by 3 you can write like this, A11, A12, A13 form like this, A21, A22, A23, next A31, A32, A33 like this I told now. This is the general form of the matrix 3 by 3. So here see, I is not equal to j. So I is equal to j means these all I is equal to j. See here, I 3 3 2 2 1 1 are equal na. So these are all non-diagonal elements, this and this. So this all will be entry will be 0. See here 0 0 0 0 0 0. So except this diagonal, we can say that other all elements are 0, you can say. Okay, now for this one, for your understanding, once again I will give the definition of principal diagonal. What is the meaning of principal diagonal here? Okay, so what is the meaning of principal diagonal? So what is this? We will just go through this one. Okay, principal diagonal you can say, or leading diagonal of a matrix also you can say, both are correct. Okay, so the line along which the diagonal elements lie, the line along which the diagonal elements lie is called the principal or leading diagonal of a matrix. Okay, so an example we will have here. So example, you can take 3 2 4 2 5 6 4 1 2, you can take like this. So this is 3 by 3 matrix which is denoted by A. So here's here, this one you can go. So here 3 5 2 are diagonal elements, you can go through that like this. Okay, so at last we will go. So sixth one. Okay, what is that sixth one? Unit matrix or identity matrix. So did you remember this is, what is the meaning of this one? Unit matrix or identity matrix, both are same. Okay, so a diagonal matrix we can say like this, a diagonal matrix is said to be a unit matrix, or identity matrix if its diagonal elements are unity. So here, that is in another way we can say, that is a matrix A is equal to Aij, which is of order m by n, m rows and n columns is a unit matrix if aij is equal to 0 for I is not equal to j and aij is equal to 1 for I is equal to z. So here one example I will take so that you will get the idea. So like this I can write here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. See here this is 3 by 3 matrix, which is we will denote by a. Okay, one more you can take b. Here also 1 0 0 1 you can take. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. One more also you can take. C is equal to like this 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, 0 0 0 1. So this is 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, so except this principal diagonal or this diagonal. Okay, in diagonal matrix any element you can write here, but here in unit matrix or identity matrix only diagonal element should be 1 and other all non-diagonal elements should be 0. Like this, here all are 0, only like this they are unit means 1. Okay, like this it should be there. So I hope you have understood. Okay, thank you.